So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to analyze best-selling products in Shopify. First, open your Shopify dashboard, navigate to Analytics, and open your top selling products report. Send your desired date range, like the last 90 days, and click the export button at the top right-hand corner to download the data as a CSV file. Next, open Claude AI and start a new chat. Click the attached file paperclip icon and upload that exported Shopify sales spreadsheet directly into the chat window. Instead of asking Claude for a generic summary, click it an advanced retail analysis instruction. Type an execution prompt like act as an expert, e-commerce data analyst, review this sales report and identify your top 10 best-selling products by total revenue and unit volume. Pro tip, identifying what is selling is only half the battle. You need to understand why it is selling to scale your revenue. Drop a follow-up prompt into the chat bar like based on these bestsellers, cross-reference our product titles, and tags to identify hidden consumer trends. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to analyze best-selling products in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.